As you humbly said, Wolfgang and Jonathan, yeah, this is a great site. It's the best site for producing slurry pumps worldwide. I know quite a few. I would not even blush to say, in this little village, Augusta, the small company KSB has done something extremely magnificent. And in addition, we produce the biggest slurry pump worldwide here in this place. We are in the market one of the most visible players. We're not the biggest, but we are one of the most aggressive and the one who's growing the fastest.